We are in part 2, second section, on how you can start your YouTube channel from zero and grow it up to be a big YouTube channel, just beyond 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Many people have been saying, they tell you, what would I do different if I started my YouTube channel today? How would I be able to get views, subscribers, all those kind of things if I started my YouTube channel today? So I'm going to do practical with you on this series. Myself, I'm starting my YouTube channel. So if you haven't watched part 1, please go and watch part 1 as I'm explaining why am I going to start a new YouTube channel and what is going to entail and why everything I'm going to select is going to be with a particular intent to go towards to grow my YouTube channel and succeed. So the other important part on my YouTube channel is when I go to open that YouTube channel. When I open the YouTube channel, already you have your email. Obviously, it will be easy. I believe you have created your YouTube channel. Before I announce it to any person that, oh, please, I open my YouTube channel, go and check my YouTube channel. Remember, this is the world of competition. How many videos are there in your YouTube channel? I don't want to open my YouTube channel and tell you, go to my YouTube channel, and when you go there, you find just one video of welcome everyone. That doesn't make someone to subscribe. Yes, some people will subscribe because they trust me. Oh, this is EBM. We know him. We believe we can get good content. But what if it's a brand new person has discovered you through search on YouTube or through on Google search and come to a YouTube channel? Why should a person subscribe to a brand new YouTube channel with one video or two videos? So to avoid that, this is the trick I'm telling you. When you are going to create a new YouTube channel, before you post on your social media, before you post it to your Instagram, before you post it or announce on Twitter, on Facebook, on WhatsApp sharing, make sure you have enough videos, first of all. If someone comes today, oh, this person has a couple of videos, at least 5, 10, 15 videos. So what I've done today is this way. I have recorded 15 videos, which I'm going to upload on my YouTube channel. The link will be here below on this particular video. So while you are watching this video, if you open that particular YouTube link, you'll be able to go there and see my YouTube channel on day 1. Day 1, you'll be able to find 10, 15, 20 videos already there. That means it's going to make someone, oh, there, maybe this guy has a good content. Let me subscribe. So I'm going to give you a test. Not just by welcoming and telling what the video is all about. I'm going to give you the videos. You can be able to see them. So that is a very, very critical issue. When you are going to start your YouTube channel, make sure you have enough content. At least minimum 5 videos. But for me, I'm starting with 10, 15 videos. Because I know I've created all those videos before and I'm uploading there. So when you come there to my YouTube channel, oh man, EBM is in fire. Already there, you can be able to subscribe. That is another part. Then, the other things which I didn't do on my previous YouTube, then I came to know or learn this later, is to prepare my content by knowing what videos I might do today or tomorrow and others. So sometimes you can come, oh, what video should I make today? So to avoid that, I've already created a list of over 250 videos ideas which I'll be able to make. So when I go and tick which videos I made. For instance, let me give you just an example. Here on this notebook, the videos for scholarships, for instance, this one. So I have a list of various already written down. All these are written down. Topics where I'm going to do these videos. So all these are already made. All these are topics. So for me to make now videos will be easy. So for instance, the topic number 1, it says here, what is a scholarship? Number 2, how much % do they cover in scholarship? Number 3, what are advantages of getting scholarships? Number 4, why you should go to study overseas in the first world countries. What is the difference between scholarships and free education in Europe? What is the difference between free education in Europe and assistantships in the United States? What levels? So I've already have all these topics. So for me, it's just going and making all these videos right now. So those are the things which are going, like, now I know what I'm talking about. It is easier to have that plan. So for you, you have to start. And I'm going to share something else which I used to ignore a lot. But last week, I decided, let me take it serious. There is something called TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a website which you can integrate to your YouTube, and it can be able to help you with what we call search engine and optimization. How do you get the title? Because sometimes if you say how to get scholarships is different from how to get scholarships for Africans. I'm giving you an example. Or how do you apply for fully funded scholarships versus how to apply for full scholarships. So by changing one word, they give you the number, the score, how much it is from red to 100%, which is green. So for me now, whenever I make the video, I have to put a title using the keywords which are in that particular search engine. I'm going to post the link of TubeBuddy here. You can be able to see. So now everything I'm going to do in a strategic way. They tell you, if you use this type of keywords, if you use this kind of tag, you are likely to be able to be discovered on the search engine. If someone searches this word, you'll be likely to your video to be found. Regardless of how many subscribers you have, regardless of how many views you have, if you play with what you call SEO, you'll be higher. So sometimes I use so much energy to make a video, but because I didn't use the correct keywords, because I didn't use the correct tags, my video is very difficult to be discovered. Now I know. On YouTube recommendation, they will be recommending my videos because I know how I'm going to be ranked. I know how my videos are going to be discovered by people when they're going to search. So that is another part which I'm going to share with you. I'll make another tutorial to show deep dive of this TubeBuddy on how exactly we're going to do. But now I'm just mentioning for you to know that there are resources you'll be able to do that. There is a free version of TubeBuddy. There is a paid version of TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy for free version can help here and there. For me, I use now the paid version. The paid version, there are 2 or 3 categories. I'm using the star version, which I can have more things to be able to do, which is about, I don't know, $15, $20. I got a coupon, so I pay like $14, $15 per month, which I'm okay with that for what is going to help me. So you have to use some resources. Like what type of equipment you are using to record, to edit, all those kind of things, you'll be able to cover on those kind of areas.